grab your tissues. This is a very emotional video and it's a very personal video to me. But it is trucker related because if you know me, then you know I'm all about my family and I'm all about God. So, just watch.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain I ingest.
And my heart rises. The road is long, but my faith does not give up. I see the mountains, I feel the strength in me, because I know that you are the beginning and the end. Even in the shadows, your light is my guide. Every step forward is a new day. With you by my side, I can achieve anything. My spirit is reborn, ready to fight. Faith in God is my shield and song.
I've seen the light in Psalm 23. He guides me through valleys of shadow I see. Rocking this faith with a heavy guitar. Lord, I know you're never too far. Gonna praise His name.